Hello, hello. Welcome to another episode. Today, we're diving into something that's gaining a lot of popularity in the world of self-care, full body waxing. If you've ever wondered what it's like to wax your entire body, what the benefits are, or why you should give it a try, this episode is for you. But that's not all. We're also excited to share news about a new waxing training program we're offering for those who want to learn this professional skill. Joining me today is our special guest, Judith Okendo, an expert in waxing and skincare. Welcome, Judith Okendo.
Hi, thank you so much for having me. I'm thrilled to be here and share everything I know about full body waxing and this amazing training we're launching. It's going to be such an exciting episode.
Let's start with the basics. For those who may not be familiar, what exactly is full body waxing?
Full body waxing is a treatment in which hair is removed from the entire body, from head to toe, or at least the areas the client chooses. If desired, this includes legs, arms, back, abdomen, and even intimate areas. It's an ideal option for those who want smooth, hair free skin in a more lasting way than shaving or hair removal creams.
Wow, that sounds super practical. What would you say are the main benefits of opting for full body waxing instead of other methods or waxing individual areas?
First, full body waxing saves time. In a single session, you can get your entire body waxed. Plus, the results last much longer because the wax removes hair from the root. Another benefit is that over time, the hair tends to grow back thinner and less dense, which means your future sessions will be even faster and more comfortable.
For someone who has never tried full body waxing, what's the process like? What should they expect?
The process is entirely customizable. Before starting, we consult with the client to determine which areas they'd like waxed. Then we prepare the skin by cleaning it and applying warm wax. The wax is removed quickly, section by section, ensuring the client is comfortable throughout the process. Yes, there may be some discomfort initially, but most clients are surprised at how well they tolerate it.
That sounds very professional. How can clients prepare for their first full body waxing session?
Great question. I recommend gently exfoliating the skin a couple of days before to avoid ingrown hairs. It's also important that the hair is at least a quarter of an inch long so the wax can grip it properly. And most importantly, come in relaxed and ready to try something new. We'll take care of the rest.
This sounds so interesting that I'm sure more than a few listeners are considering trying full body waxing after hearing you. How can they book an appointment with you?
It's super easy. Just visit my website, www.beautybooster.com, or send me a direct message on our social media. I'm here to answer any questions and ensure you have the best experience possible. And here's some great news. For a limited time, we're offering discounts for new clients who want to try full body waxing.
That's amazing. So, no excuses. Smooth, hair-free skin is waiting for you. Now let's talk about something super exciting. The new waxing training program you're offering. Tell us more about it.
Of course, this training is designed for anyone who wants to learn professional waxing techniques, including Brazilian waxing and speed waxing, which are highly sought after skills in the beauty industry. It's perfect for both aspiring estheticians and professionals looking to expand their services.
That sounds like a great opportunity. What exactly does the training include?
It includes both theory and hands on practice. We teach everything from skin preparation and the proper techniques to apply and remove wax, to how to deliver a high quality client experience. We also offer specific modules like Brazilian wax add ons and speed waxing, which are excellent for maximizing income in any beauty business.
That's pure gold. And how can people sign up?
They can visit my website or contact me directly. We also have flexible dates and payment options to make it accessible to everyone. Plus, those who sign up this month will receive a starter kit with essential tools for practicing.
Wow, Judith, this has been an episode packed with valuable information. Thank you for sharing everything about full body waxing and this incredible training. I'm sure more than a few listeners will be looking to book an appointment or sign up for the course.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure to be here. And remember, Whether you want smooth skin or learn how to offer these services, I'm here to help. Don't hesitate to reach out.
Thanks again. And to our listeners, thank you for joining us for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more topics on beauty, skincare, and opportunities in the beauty industry. See you next time.